if I tell good teams can improve listening and speaking skills and reach our staff, and help us to work in a group. Sounds impossible, right? Well, I am here to prove it's not. So I am Rasul and I came here to present my project work English and word teams. The aim of my project work is to study the effects of word teams in learning in the children ages 8 and 9. By inventing this game and organizing them in class and at home, I wanted to interest my friends and classmates. What is the relevance of my work? It is a very, I think it is a very relevant thing. Because all these people spend too much time on the phone and do not play games together very often. Also, English is an important subject. However, and this that we need because we all the part and there are support have fun and improve their English. Children make mistakes in organic days of the week in English and present. So I invented this game and named it Fast Week because it is based on quick sitting and the activity. We printed the word on money sheets and letters. According to the rules, the leader prepares a table and he invites one of the students to the board. The pupil should order names of the best people. When it finishes, the time is stopped and the sequence of the days is checked. If it is correct, the student's name and the time of submission will be recorded. If it is not, one. The person who shows the best result is winner. In order to check the efficiency of the game, I organize it is about to check the whole task. In the first round, only 6 people ordered the days, but in the second round, 5 children completed the task. The shortest time was 2 minutes. The game created competition, atmosphere, and listening game for interesting. I noticed that more classmates play this game. The fewer mistakes they made, they made. At home we play with my brothers. At home we play with my brothers and friends. The amazing fact I noticed is that some children while ordering mistakes or while ordering things is simple. Again on the farm. This game for children. They practice the prepositions of place and the back and the names of animals. Children are divided into groups. The first group is given. The poster of the farm. And the second group is given the poster of Sheila. I made first sentence. The chicken is on the fence. The duck is in front of the barn. The dog is on the plate. The horse is next to the eagle. The camel is in front of the tree. The eagle is over the eagle. Children, listen to me and put the animals in correct places. We play the game in 3A grade. In the compiler and at home. Most children know the names of animals better, but make mistakes while using prepositions.
Видео пустить, как дела? Видео пустить.
Prepositions. To count the points, I give them a toy camel and a toy horse. Our great poet Abai said, the new levels of models for marketing the series. Playing this game, my friends, understand. If they know English better, they will be rich. Rasul's board game. This game has got 4 answer sheets. And then I use vocabulary in models 1, 2, and 3 from Smart People's book. My brother and he helped me to take the photos. We played this game in the class. The first group was stronger than the second group. I asked them questions. If they find answer the same number of the card. But the game was very intense, especially they liked my photos. Some children decided to make such games and the participants encouraged work. Summing up, I want to say that our teams can improve. Summing up, I want to say that our teams help children not only to learn English and practice vocabulary, but also work in a group and help friends. Working is a good way to spend your time with your family and friends. It stops you from being addicted to the internet and the smartphone. I recommend to play my games at the lessons and at home to get better results in English. It stops there. In the future, I will get a patent and copyright for my games. But also, it will be better working about the traditions and the culture. It is invested in South around the world. Thank you for your attention.
YouTube каналы YouTube'ге ойындар жетеді. Ойындар қалай ойнап жатқанын көрдіңіз бе? Түсіндіріп қарама. Ойындары көрсеңіз. Өзің көрсеңіз. Сол ойындарды ойнап тапқан кезде сен неге келісесің? Арадың ба литературадан сіздердің бе қалай ондай ойлар ойнайсың?
Балалармен танысу.
Ойын ретінде Last week we were not on the phone. Çok da bırakmadım vallahi. Kimi sorusu Ағылшын, Ағылшын